Assalamualaikum kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, this is your English reading book and the name of this book is Phonic Reader Book 2. Children, today I am going to teach you about words and we will read the page number 36. So open the page number 36. Children, these are double O words, means words. And this is a phonogram. And do you know, children, what are phonograms? Those words which gives one sound, it is called phonograms. And here is given double O words. So when double O are combined together, it gives oo sounds. So this is a oo words. And here is written is room, ROOM, room. MOON, moon. POOL, pool. FOOL, fool. COOL, cool. FOOT, foot. BOOK, book. COOK, cook. TOOK, took. LOOK, look. Now read with me again. ROOM, room. MOON, moon. POOL, pool. FOOL, fool. COOL, cool. FOOT, foot. BOOK, book. COOK, cook. TOOK, cook. LOOK, look. TOOL, tool. ROOT, root. ROOF, roof. BOOT, boot. GOOD, good. HOOK, hook. WOOD, wood. WOOL, wool. SOON, soon. Now read it again with me. COOL, cool. TOOL, tool. ROOT, root. ROOF, roof. BOOT, boot. LOOK, look. GOOD, good. HOOK, hook. WOOD, wood. WOOL, wool. SOON, soon. I hope, children, you will understand about words, so you will read and learn page number 36 at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you, take care, and Allah Hafiz.